Hi everyone, it's Ahmet here. Today we will be solving test 4. So let's start with it. Okay, here regular hexagon, diagonals AE and AD and FC. Okay, AE is 6. Okay, this one is 6. So therefore this one must be 3, this one must be 3, and the angle here must be 60 degrees, and this is perpendicular. And we are trying to find this one. And we all know that if these are 3, then AH must be equal to HD. And if GH is X, then ED must be 2X. Okay, so this is 3, this must be root 3, this must be 2 root 3. As you see, it is root 3. In this one, regular hexagon in center, in center. What does in center mean? It is the center of inscribed circle of hexagon. So what is the inscribed circle? Which is the intersection point of the angle bisectors. So it means if I take if I take the height from point O to AB, it will be perpendicular and it will bisect, because as we said, these are angle bisectors. So it's regular hexagon. What is the interior angle of hexagon? It is 120 degrees. So it's angle bisectors. So this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and those are 60 degrees as well. So as you see, it's actually an isosceles triangle. So it means if I take the height, it will divide it into halves. It says this parallelogram has 21 root 3 area, and there is also another information. DC, where is DC? DC is here, so one of the sides is equal to 3 times BE. Okay, since I'm going to divide it 2, let's say this is 2x, and therefore it will be 6x. But remember, it is divided into 2, so it will be 3x, this will be 3x as well. And then as you see, here is 60 degrees and this is 60 degrees, so this is actually an equilateral triangle. So if this is 6x, this must be 6x as well. And what is the altitude here? This is 3x, this is 3x root 3, right? So what is the area of this trapezoid? This actual trapezoid, because FO is parallel to AE. So it is 6x plus 8x over 2 times height 3x root 3, which is equal to 21 root 3. Okay, these are gone. This is 7x. So 21 x squared is equal to 21, x equals 1. What's the perimeter of the hexagon? So x is 1, one side is 6, therefore the perimeter will be 36. There is a quadrilateral here. That's really a good question. Can you please stop the video for a while and think on it, try to solve it, because it's really a good question, okay? AE is equal to DE, okay, these are equal. BF is equal to CF, okay. BD is given 10, AC is given 16, and there is an angle. So we are trying to find EF. How can we find it? As you see, the length of diagonals are given and the angle between them given. So if we are asked to find the area of this quadrilateral, it would be easy, right? It would be easy. But here we are asked to find the measure of EF. Okay. So let me mark a point from AB so that this point divides AB into halves, okay? So let's say this is equal to this. Let me name this point M. And I am going to join F and M, okay? If I join them, as you see, CF is equal to FB, AM is equal to MB, therefore AC must be parallel to MF. And here, point E and M. So DE is equal to AE and AM is equal to MB. Therefore, this must be parallel to this one, okay? If the angle here is A, let's say, and the angle here must be A. If the angle here is B, the angle must be here B, because corresponding angles, okay? And here is 60 degrees, so therefore as you see, A plus B is 120 degrees. A plus B 120, so it means here is 60 degrees. And I know the length of AC. AC is 16, so therefore MF will be half of it, 8. And BD is 10, therefore AM will be 5. And as you see, this length is 5, this length is 8, and I am trying to find the length of EF. So apply the cosine theorem. Cosine 60, which is sine 30, which is 1 over 2, is equal to 5 square plus 64 square minus x square over 2 times 5 times 8. Simplify them. This is 40, 24, 49, which is equal to x squared. So as you see, it's actually 7. So when you see a triangle like this one, so if this is 5 and this is 8, the measure of this length will be 7. In this question, it says it's an isosceles trapezoid and find the area. So we did this before. What is the area of the isosceles trapezoid if the shape is given like this? So remember, it is height times the portion in front of the height. So it is 84. There is a right trapezoid here. Okay, let me take height from C to AB. And this will be 3, this will be 12. Okay, wow, this is Euclid, right? 3 times 12 will be 36, root it will be 6. Okay, I found the height, so it's easy to find the area. 15 plus 3 will be 18, over 2 will be 9, 9 times 6 will be 54. Okay. DH is equal to DE. Okay, these are equal. AC is equal to EB, and AD is 4 root 3. We are trying to find the area again. Okay. Let me take the midpoint of AD, and let me join these points. Okay. So it is the midpoint, so it must be 2 root 3, 2 root 3. Okay. What other information I have? Nothing, right? Okay, and I know this is 90 degrees. That's it, that's all. Okay, let me say this is A, let me say this is B, then this will be A again, and here will be B again. And from alternate interior angles, this will be B, and it is 90 degrees, okay? And these are equal to each other. So it is 4 root 3, and as you see here, one of the side is tilde. Here one of the side is tilde, and angles are, as you see, AB 90, AB 90, so it is angle side angle congruency. Okay, so if the angle here is A, the angle here, where is it? The angle here must be A. If the angle here is B, the angle here must be B. And if this length is 2 root 3, this length must be 2 root 3. Wow, so therefore I found the angles. If this is 2 root 3, the angle here must be 60 degrees and this must be 30 degrees. This must be 60, this must be 30, 60, this is again 30 degrees. So this is 2 root 3, this will be root 3 and root 3 and I'm sorry. Oh, this is 60, I'm sorry. So this will be root 3 and this is 2 root 3, so this is 3 and 3, okay? So 30 is 3, 60 will be root 3 again. So what is the median? 2 root 3. And what is the height? It is 6. I'm sorry, this is 3 root 3. Yes, I made a mistake, sorry. This is 4 root 3, okay? This is 4 root 3 and the height is 6, so it is 24 root 3. Rectangle ABCD, triangles AEB, AFB, given the sum of the areas of the shaded regions is 64, what is AKB? It's a good question again. You can pause the video for a while and think on it. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. And I know these sides must be equal to each other, and let's say this is D, okay? It says sum of the areas is 64. So A plus B plus C is 64. And remember, AFB, it means D plus S, is equal to A plus B plus C plus S. Because it's the half of the rectangle, okay? So this is gone and I know what this is, so it is D, is actually 64. In this one, let me complete it. Okay, so whether it's a square or not, I don't know. This is 4 here, this will be 4, and this is 6 here. And these points are collinear. And it says this is square, and this is square. So okay, if this is 4, this is 6, then this is 2. Okay, so this is 10, this is 6, so 10 times 6 over 2, which is 30. 4 times 2, which is 8, so 30 minus 8 will be 22. Okay, given the area of the shaded region is 23. Let's say, okay, it says DE is X. Let's say BC is Y. So Y square is the area of ABCD minus X square is area of EFGD. So this must be 23. And factorize it, Y minus X, Y plus X, which is equal to 23. So remember, this is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. So it has two factors, 23 and 1. So one of them must be 1, one of them must be 23. Y plus X must be, because it's the bigger one, right? It's the bigger one. This is the smallest one. So it is 23 and this is 1. Sum them is 24. So Y is equal to 12. X is equal to 11, right? So X is equal to 11. Okay, here. So if this angle is this one and it's a square, so therefore it is 90 degrees. So it must be this one as well. It is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree here. Angle E is 90 degree. And this is 5, this is 9. So AC must be 12, 9, 12, 15 triangle. And 15 square, which is 225. What is the area here? 9 times 6, which is 54. So 225 minus 54 will be 171. Okay, let's look at here. So fk is 12 minus 6 root 2, ef is 12, and I don't know much. Okay, let me extend this one. Okay. And the angle here is 45. The angle here is 45, so it is 45. This is 90, and this is 45 as well. So what will be this small portion here? I don't know. Right? Do I know it? No. Okay, let's say it's A. Okay, let's say it's A. And as you see, it is angle bisector. So this must be proportional to A. This must be proportional to 12. So it is 12K. And one observation AK is actually equal to A plus 12. Okay? And the other observation, root 2 of it, right, this is 45, root 2 of it must be this one. So AK times root 2 will be 12K. K is simplified, so root 2 are gone. Right, so A is equal to 6 root 2. Perfect, I found the A, which is 6 root 2. Okay, well, I'm trying to find the perimeter of the square. So if A is 6 root 2, then these are gone. It is 24. So one side is 24. 24 times 4 will be 96. ABCD is a square. BE is equal to EC. Okay, what is the ratio of the area of square to the area of triangle BFE? Okay, let me draw the diagonal. And let's say this is A, then this is 2A, right? And these are similar triangles, as you see, this one and this one, this one and this one. Okay, these are similar triangles. If tangent of this angle is 1 over 2, tangent of this angle must be 1 over 2. So let's say B and 2B. Okay, and I know the area of this triangle is, if the area of this triangle is S, then area of this triangle will be S, but I don't know this small portion here, and then this will be 2S. Okay, and then let me try to find a ratio. Let me try to find a relationship between B and A. So B square, 4B square, 5B square is actually equal to A square, right? So therefore A is equal to B root 5. Very good relation. Because 2A times A over 2, which is A square, is equal to S, right? A square is equal to S. So what is the area of this triangle? 2B times B over 2, so it's B square. And I found B square is A square over 5. So it must be S over 5. So it is S over 5. The area here is S over 5, and the area of square is 4S. So 4S over S over 5, these are simplified, which is actually 20. Okay, let me join those points. BF is equal to CF, AC is equal to 2 times of DE, okay, X to X, AF is 20. Therefore, if this is 20, 6 times 20 will be 120. Half it will be 60. So this is the area of this triangle here, AEF. And we are trying to find the area of parallelogram. So remember in previous lecture, test 2 or test 3 in question 10, we found that these are proportional, right? So x times 2a will be 2s. So this is again 2s, and this is 3x. 3 times 1 will be 3s. And if this is 3s, lower triangle will be 6s, therefore parallelogram will be 12s. So 12s is equal to 2 to 4, 7s, and the area here which is 60. So 5s is equal to 60, s is equal to 12, and multiply it by 12, it will be 144. Oh, look at the choices. Oh my god, they are strange choices, 55 over 57, but it occurs in math. So this is the math and these are the numbers, okay? Don't be afraid. It's one of the easy questions, not the easy one, but it can be solved, okay? It can be solved. So let me join. Remember, it is BD is the diagonal of this parallelogram. And if I join point A and C, it passes through G. So therefore, these are equal to each other and these are equal to each other, okay? So this is 16, FB must be 10. And what is the ratio here? 6 over 5. Okay, similarity. I am doing similarity here. So it is 6k and this is 5k. And what do I need more? Nothing. So, okay, remember it is the midpoint. And let's start from somewhere, okay? What is the similarity constant here? 5 over 6 or 6 over 5. So what will be the similarity constant for areas? It will be square of this, which is 36 over 25. So if this one is 36s, this one is 25s. So it is proportional with this one. So let's say it is 5 over 2 times the side. So it is 30 over 2 will be 15. Okay. And it is 36. So 3 times of this one. 3 times of the side, 12s. And remember, it is 48s. So it's one of the area. So this one must be equal to this one. So it is 48s, right? Wait a sec. This is 48. This is 48s. Okay. Wow, I'm sorry. This is 40. Okay, this is 40 here. So this must be 40 here. Okay, we divide them. And what's the ratio of the shaded regions? So it is 52. Let's say it is 52. And what is it? 63. So 63 over 52 or 52 over 63. So therefore it must be this one. By the way, I made a mistake. It's not the midpoint, because as you see, these are not proportional. As you see, it's 6 and 5. So I'm sorry about this. This AC thing here is not the diagonal, okay? I'm sorry about this, because otherwise it would be equal. Those areas would be equal to each other, must be equal to each other. But as it turned out, they are not equal to each other. So therefore, this point G is not the intersection point of diagonals. I'm sorry about that. So question 15 and then 16 and then we are done. Rhombus. It's rhombus. It's very important. Keep in mind this. is 3 root 3, it is 4, and this is 90 degrees, okay? And this one is 2 here. If this is 90, this is 90, and 2, 4, so the angle here must be 30 degrees, so it is 60 degrees. It is, what are we doing? Oh, we are trying to find the length of x. If this one is 3 root 3, this will be 6 root 3. Okay, so this is 6 root 3. Take the height, this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees. So it is again 3 root 3, so it will be 9. Therefore, the answer is 7. And the last one of test 4. Okay, deltoid ABCD. AD is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, AD is equal to DC, BE is equal to AC. And remember, in deltoid, diagonals are perpendicular, and this side is equal to this side. Okay. Okay, let me join point F and E. So as you see, this is equal to this one because it's magnificent triple there. And remember the point G here, if AE is the median, BF is the median as well. So G is the centroid. If this is 6, this must be 3. Okay. And what do I know? Again, this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. So 3 times 9, 27, take the root. It will be equal to here, okay? It is 3 root 3. So, okay, the area. Area will be one of the diagonals, 6 root 3. The other diagonal, 12 over 2. So it is 36 root 3. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you see in the following videos. There are 6 videos left. So bye bye.